What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're looking at round 2 models, newest reissues that came at the NNL EAST show. So first things first, we're gonna look at the first model, and that is the Dodge Charger. You might be thinking like, wait a minute, Dodge Charger, is this kit or about the police car? Well, there is actually another version of it, and that version is a new Hellcat. This is very cool. A lot of people have been asking round 2 models, are you going to do the wide body version? Is there going to be a wide body like aftermarket kit that I can buy? But a lot of people were not doing any aftermarket kits to it because everybody knew round 2 models was going to be doing a Hellcat version, which is super cool. So basically the difference on this kit is going to be the body. Very slight difference on the body because it does have the fenders molded in. Obviously the bumper is going to be different, front and rear. Obviously it is going to have a supercharged Hemi engine in it, which is super cool. So no more of that, Hemi, supercharger. This is a completely new designed engine for this kit. The interior, I believe, is going to be the same, but very cool. Is super cool. They are bringing out the Dodge Charger Hellcat. Alright, next one on the list is a new Bronco, and this is AMT's new Ford Bronco. I'm not really sure, but this one, it looks like a more subtle version of the first Bronco they came out with. It doesn't look as rigid or off-road usage, you want to call it. I only got one picture of the other models I got because I think these ones might not be as popular as the Dodge Charger, but with these ones, AMT is doing the pad printed windshields and stuff, the black surround. So that goes for the new Dodge Chargers coming out, the police car, because people were kind of complaining they weren't pad printed on the RT version of the normal Charger. So they are doing that now. But yeah, got a Bronco. Again, not much to say because it looks almost the same. So let's go on to the next one. Alright, next one is a completely weird name. A 1964 Olds. Very interesting model. This kit has not been reissued in quite some time, and I believe this kit has never been reissued. So this is the first time it's being reissued. So it's definitely a unique looking model. Again, I didn't get a good picture of it because people were just, this booth is just so crowded. But I'll put some pictures of it on your screen of some built models of it. It's a very interesting looking model, I gotta say, for least, but it's pretty cool they're coming out with it again. Alrighty, next one up is NPC this time, and it is the 1972 Chevy Chevelle SS. Very cool. We got another Chevy Chevelle SS coming out. Was like a more like a custom, modified version. Again, this kit has not been reissued in quite some time, but it looks like I've been doing some research, and so very cool. NPC round 2 models, they're bringing this kit back out, so very cool. They probably had to clean up the molds because these molds are probably, I don't know, probably 40, 50, almost 50 years old. So very cool. So another one to look forward to. Alright, next up is AMT's 1957 Chrysler 300. This kit is coming back out. AMT, they just reissued this kit not too long ago. I want to say within probably 5, maybe 6 years ago. They reissued this kit, but they stopped making it. But it's come back out, which is super cool. And fun fact, this is actually the kit that got me personally, into this hobby for good. I can tell you the whole story, but it's a very long story. But let's just say this was actually my very first glue together kit. Little spoiler alert, which is very cool. It was actually the very first issue of this kit. But yeah, super glad this kit's coming back out because this kit basically has a special part in my heart. But very cool. Round 2 models is bringing it back out. Alright, and one next to it, I totally forgot to take a picture of it, but it is AMT's 1964 Chevy Malibu SS. It's, this kit's been out many times, so this kit's not really that, I wouldn't say really exciting, but it's pretty cool. They're bringing it back out, so very cool, and I got to see it in person. But I built this kit a couple times a few issues ago, but I believe they just reissued this kit like within like 2 years, I want to say, probably less than that. But probably one of the least exciting ones on this list, but it's there. That's probably why I didn't take a picture of it. But yeah, very cool. And let's move on to our next one. Alright, next one on the list is AMT's 1971 Dodge Hemi Charger RT. Another one is very cool. Probably not too exciting, but very cool. They're bringing this kit back out. I never built this kit before, but I heard it's pretty interesting and it's a pretty nice kit for what it is. So very cool to get to see this, and yeah, looks like a pretty nice kit. And of course, last but not the least is AMT's newest 2021 Dodge Charger Pursuit police car. This is their second version of the Dodge Charger besides the RT. So very cool. This kit just came out, so you can purchase this kit as well. Very cool. So it's pretty much almost the same exact kit as the RT, the original one they came out with, but with police car accessories. But the bumpers are different, front and rear. The hood is different, and of course, you do have all your police accessories, different wheels. You do get 2 light bars, your spotlights, push bar, and your computer, center console, and you have a partition. So very cool. But you can, if you want, you can build this kit as a normal Dodge Charger. It's just like a plain Dodge Charger with no hood scoop or nothing. So you can do this as a normal Dodge Charger, or of course make it just to a police car. This kit does offer pad printed headlights, pad printed windshield and back glass. It doesn't show it in this display, but this kit does offer that. Ever since people were kind of complaining to them, saying why didn't you do black Sharon on the windows and stuff. So this kit does offer it. It's not showing it in this picture, but in this kit they do offer it, which is very cool. And that's pretty much about it. Again, a very nice kits. I think the one that really stands out to the whole crowd is the Dodge Charger Hellcat, the wide body one. That is super cool, and I actually can't wait to get that kit. So very cool, and it does come with a nice engine. The detail in the engine looks really nice. The interior, I'm pretty sure it's the same, which they are in real life, but yeah, I'm looking more forward to the Hellcat Dodge Charger wide body. So looking very cool, and yeah, very cool. Let me know in the comments which one you're looking forward to, and until next video, I'll catch you guys next time.